One more time. Oh my good. Can we just, Chloe just made the breakfast tostada. Oh, is it focusing? Guys. Oh, thanks, Chloe. Thanks. I'm just gonna eat this now. Oh, shittabang. I taught you well, girl. Hey Health Nuts, it's Nicole from HealthNut Nutrition and welcome back to my channel. Now if you guys have been following me for a while, you know that my favorite meal of the day is breakfast and how I'm always talking about why it's so important to start your day with something nutritious that's going to really set the tone for the rest of the day. Now I get it, you guys are busy. A lot of times people just don't know what to make in the morning when they're rushing out the door, so they end up just like having coffee and a bagel and that's it. So today I've partnered up with Bob's Red Mill. They're actually sponsoring this video and they've been like in my pantry ever since I was growing up, really, and they're so popular. I mean, everyone probably knows who they are. You can find them at almost every grocery store, and they're helping me make these 4 delicious breakfast recipes because they happen to carry a lot of breakfast items. They actually carry a whole range of different products, anything from gluten-free to paleo to vegan, you name it, they have a product. So I'm really excited to share with you guys these 4 amazing recipes. So the 4 recipes we're making today are my breakfast tostadas, my DIY breakfast cereal, raspberry and almond butter chia toast, and then last but not least, my 5 ingredient pancakes that are so easy. And yes, you can totally have pancakes during busy weekday mornings. So let's just hop right in and I will share with you guys how easy these are to whip up. Breakfast number 1 is gonna be my 5 ingredient pancakes. So for this, we're gonna use Bob's Red Mill gluten-free rolled oats. So I'm gonna take these rolled oats and place them into a little blender or food processor. And I'm gonna show you how easy it is to make your own homemade oat flour. You don't need to go to any fancy health food stores to find it, just make it at home. So I portioned out some into a blender, I'm gonna blitz it up, and just until it kind of comes to a fine oat flour texture, then you know you're good. Because these are pancakes, you don't have to be too picky. Just until you get a fine mill like this, you're good to go. In a bowl, I'm gonna take a nice and ripe banana. You wanna use a spotty banana when it comes to anything that has to do with baking or sweets, because you're really gonna get those nice sugars from the fruit. And I'm mashing everything really good until it almost looks like applesauce. Crack in an egg, vanilla extract, sea salt, and your oat flour. And then all you have to do is mix everything until you get a nice, smooth, thick batter. And this is the texture you should be going for. On a large, flat, nonstick skillet, you're gonna heat it up with a little bit of coconut oil spray. And once your pan is nice and hot and ready, go ahead and scoop on your pancake batter. Cook it for a couple minutes per side, and you're ready to transfer and plate. This recipe makes 3 medium pancakes, which I feel like is a perfect serving size, but feel free to double or triple this recipe. I'm adding on some banana slices. You can also use fruit, sunflower seeds for some crunch, and then a good drizzle of some pure maple syrup. I mean, these pancakes are worthy of a Sunday morning brunch, but you can also enjoy them Monday to Friday during a busy week morning. Easy peasy 5 ingredient pancakes ready in a pinch. Breakfast number 2, we're making my breakfast tostadas. Now for this, we're gonna use Bob's Red Mill nutritional yeast, basically like a cheesy flavored, non-activated yeast. And it sounds a bit odd, but I promise it's so good. So on a large non-stick skillet, again, we're gonna heat it up with some coconut oil spray. Cook 1 egg sunny side up. And then lay down a white corn soft tortilla and cook for about a minute on one side, and then flip it, and then on the other side we're gonna spread on some refried beans. You can find these in the can. They're super accessible at every grocery store, and they're gonna add some extra protein and creaminess to this dish. So this is where the nutritional yeast comes in. We're gonna take a little bit and spread it on over top. Top it with your sunny side up egg and transfer to a plate. I love to plate mine with a couple slices of avocado and a spoon of salsa. This is great if you love a more savory style breakfast. This would also be a great lunch with maybe a side salad. And when you crack open the yolk on top, everything just gets super gooey and delicious, and it just acts as like a sauce to tie the whole thing together. For breakfast number 3, we are making a raspberry almond butter chia toast. For this, we're using Bob's Red Mill chia seeds. They're like a superpower seed that are super versatile in so many dishes. So I'm gonna toast up a couple slices of multigrain bread. Slather on a good helping of some creamy almond butter. Oh, and before I forget, Bob's Red Mill also gave me a coupon code for you to use on your next purchase. I will have the coupon code linked down below in the info box. Sprinkle on some fresh raspberries. And then taking your chia seeds, which don't these look like mini dinosaur eggs? I always think about that when I use them. You're gonna sprinkle some over top of the toast. This is gonna add some extra fiber, protein, omega-3s, and a nice little crunch to your toast. Totally optional, you can drizzle on some honey just to finish it up. And this is what it should look like. Super simple, but so good. Think of this as the adult version of peanut butter and jelly toast. Last but not least, we're making a DIY healthy cereal. For this, we're gonna use Bob's Red Mill Muesli, which is basically toasted up oats and dried fruit all mixed together. Okay, so this is what I like to do. In a large container, you can pre-mix your cereal so you don't have to do this every morning. I'm mixing together some puffed quinoa, puffed kamut, and then the muesli. This is what it looks like up close. You can see it's kind of a mixture of the oats and seeds and dried fruit. I really love the texture and heartiness it adds to the cereal. Pop the lid on and give it a good shake just to kind of combine everything together. And then you have a healthy cereal you can feel good about you eating or your kids enjoying for breakfast, and it's full of some awesome nutrients. And when you're ready to eat breakfast, all you have to do is pour some in a bowl, add some fresh fruit. I'm using strawberries today, and then pour on your milk. I'm using coconut milk, but any milk will work. And optional, you can add honey or coconut sugar on top. My strawberries were super sweet and ripe, so I just left it as is, but it's so delicious and way better for you than any of that boxed sugary stuff you find in the aisles of a grocery store. Doesn't it just look really pretty too? I love all the textures of the different grains. 4 5-minute breakfast ideas are gonna fill you up and fuel you for the day. All right, there you have it. 4 easy and yummy breakfast options, all under 5 minutes. I mean, the pancakes, I think you have to speed up a little bit, but you get it. They're all pretty easy and simple to make, and I would say even faster than stopping at the coffee shop on your way to work or school. I will have all 4 recipes linked below in the info box if you want the exact measurements, as well as a 20% off coupon code for Bob's Red Mill products, which expires at the end of the month, so that will be down below. And yeah, I would also love to know, what are some of your go-to quick and easy breakfast recipes? Leave a comment down below, because I also have busy mornings and I definitely need more suggestions. So leave those down below, and as always, don't forget to subscribe, hit that red subscribe button wherever it is, and be sure to give this video a thumbs up. I post on my channel 2 to 3 times a week, so lots more delicious recipes and healthy lifestyle videos coming your way, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys! I totally forgot to eat the pancake. Breakfast in bed. I'm like actually in bed right now, so this is quite appropriate. Cheers! Do a test run. Hey Health Nuts, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a fabulous day. Today I'm sharing with you guys not 1, not 2, not 3, but 4 easy breakfast recipes. Why?
Not 1, not 2, not 3.
You didn't like that?